I don't know if your coach tells you this, but I think this will help you. When you come off this initial screen, don't just look at the corner. Look to be a threat. There's nothing wrong with getting right here and then breaking it off and then pitching it. Does that make sense? I don't want you to miss out on an opportunity to score. Go, look to score. Good, break it off, nice. Shot.
My God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next.
So we're gonna work out of the corner handoff. And then it turns into a side ball screen. Flash to set a ball screen. Yep, like horns, come off of it. Let me see that ball. She's gonna DHO with you. You're turning to go screen for him. And that turns into a ball screen. So Marcus, you have to get a better angle. You're gonna have to go here, roll, handoff, step, screen, right? Now, when you come off this screen, you have to make sure you go with a men's ball so that the guy, whoever it is, if it's Colin or Grant, when they come off of it, they can score. I'll always pass you a women's ball. You two, just make sure you're aware if she's in the corner that you need a women's ball to start. Does that make sense? So it goes shot off the ball screen, the corner, whoever made the handoff who's in the corner, we're now hitting you for a catch and shoot three. So shot, shot. And then we throw the ball back to the top, handoff, ball screen with Marcus, shot, shot. Does that make sense? Okay, going to 15. Flash, Marcus, good, come off. Follow it, Marcus, follow it. Shot. So, good question. When we come off this handoff, 1 second. When you guys come off the handoff, I know that the initial action or what you're looking for potentially is to turn the corner and go to the basket, right? But we're not doing that. We're allowing the roller who started at the top, Marcus, to come and set this side ball screen for us. So first things first, I need you guys not to just dribble uphill like this and then turn. That's gonna send you uphill. You have to make sure that you understand this is a pick and roll situation. So when you have Marcus coming to screen, open your body to the rim. So now if you wanted to, you could reject the screen. Then if you can't reject it, now you can come off of it and still be going towards the basket. Good, roll Marcus, roll. Good, screen. Knock down, good. Better, better. One, I don't know if your coach tells you this, but I think this will help you. When you come off this initial screen, don't just look at the corner. Look to be a threat. There's nothing wrong with getting right here and then breaking it off and then pitching it. Does that make sense? I don't want you to miss out on an opportunity to score. Go, look to score. Good, break it off, nice. Shot. Come off that screen harder. Turn it, shot. It's the one we gotta hit right here. Obviously a corner three is like premium, that's a premium shot in basketball. But when you guys turn this corner, if you can stop and pop and make a mid-range jumper, you instantly make yourself harder to guard. Because everybody's either going all the way to the rim where all the defense is, or they're teaching kids now to just shoot threes. But this right here is the one that's open. So the best players in the world can make the open shot. Even though no one wants you to shoot it, this is the one that's open. Boom, boom. Here we go. Nice. Come on. 2 in a row finishes it. See that rim next time, Grant. That's 1, 2. Great job. Now, when you guys come off, you'll hit Marcus. I need one person in the opposite corner. When Marcus gets the pass, the bounce pass off the ball screen, right? He's gonna look opposite and skip it. Does that make sense? So I come off initially here, I look to score, I don't have it. Handoff with this person. Now it's a ball screen again. Marcus screens, he rolls, boom. Marcus can't score because Colin's man comes over. Does that make sense? He's the low man, he's the weak side corner. So now Marcus is gonna make that pass to Colin. Any questions? The person that comes out of the corner just pops back out for a shot. Good, drive it, drive it, drive it. Hit the roller, skip it. Good, shot. 1, good. Ball up top, men's ball in his hand because Sophia's gonna drive hit Marcus. I need the women's ball. Good. Turn the corner, bounce pass, bounce pass. Good. Knock down. One. Here we go. Women's ball up top. Go. Come off that. Look at the rim. Nice. Turn it. Bounce pass. Shot. 2. Good. Turn it. Bounce pass. Pass it a little bit earlier. Yep. So if you get below the free throw line, you're probably gonna either lob it or you're just gonna score. Does that make sense? If you get all the way down here, it's probably too late to make a bounce pass right there, like that. That make sense? Nice. See the rim, see the rim, see the rim. Y'all way too close, G. So, how are you gonna make sure that his man guards you and only you? Right? You could drag it, but what I'm saying is, I don't wanna come off of it like this, and I put pressure on him, and then I stay with Marcus. Does that make sense? I'm trying to get to the basket, so if I'm going left, this is left, this way. Here we go, 2 in a row to finish. See the rim? Good. Drive it off the pin. Yeah, nice. Bang, bang, good spacing. Foul, game time. Yes. Opposite direction now. Good. 1. Good, way to see the rim. Shot. Nice, 3. Just trust it. Good, Colin, way to see the basket. Yeah, Colin. Excellent job, fellas. Set up your screen, Grant, good. Nice. 8. Good pace, Sophia. Hit it. Yes. Next action. This time, you guys are making a right-hand bounce pass to Marcus. Marcus is making the skip to the opposite side corner, so we need someone there. One. Good eyes, Grant. Good eyes, Grant. Ball, Grant. Got to clean up the handoff. 1. 2. Good shot. Good eyes, good. Knock down. Off to the right. Great shot, Grant. Thank you, sir. Eyes, good. Colin. Good, game time. Beautiful.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with him
Artlist.io.
Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit.